In a gilded glow the glasses gleam, swirling spirits like a dream. Crystal clinks, a toast to cheer. The Derby bar is drawing near. Oh, raise a glass, let time unfold. Liquid stories, smooth and bold. A traveling toast where dreams align. The Derby bar where lux meets time. A pour of amber, a splash of zest. Each cocktail crafted, none second best. The wheels may roll, but grace remains. Elegance served in golden frames. Sip by sip, the world turns slow. A journey wrapped in a velvet glow. Oh, raise a glass, let time unfold. Liquid story.